I would like to summarize the various campaign components. So if we increase the number of those who see our content and get into TM, and those who stick with TM, and those who refer a friend or recommend it to a friend, then if we increase both by 25%, which is reachable or attainable, then we almost double the efficiency. Our mind is not designed to viral growth, and if you want to create abundance, then I recommend to build in the viral effects into TM marketing. If you check in mathematics what we call viral coefficiency, it is crucial in our case. This is how Dropbox or Gmail achieved viral growth, because as soon as you hit the number, then people start to attract more people, so we don't have to pay for new leads, and it will grow automatically and enormously. The theory is always different than the practice, so it means that if we don't hit the 25%, just the 15 or 10, big deal. So it's not a science, it's more like you have to put efforts on all components and then see how it grows. I just want to share with you one more idea that I think many people think that virality is a hope marketing, or they wish they go viral, but instead virality can be engineered, and in our case virality has to be engineered. See you in the next video.